Hello and welcome. This video is a companion to the blog post that we recently did concerning the importance of segmenting your vacation rental guests. The exercise we wanted to go through here for you now is the quick creation process that is necessary to create the Spring Break Families segment. So let's just jump right in. As you can see on the screen, we've already drilled into the email marketing area within Rentellect. We're looking at the Manage Segments area of our main list. So to create a new segment, click the green button and let's give it a name called Spring Break Families. Start building that. Our first rule, since we're talking about families, is going to be whether or not the guest has children. So select that. Let's add that rule. And the rule that we want to use is whether it's greater than, say, 0. If it's greater than 0, then they will have children. So we'll save that. Watch the count that's over here. Initially it's 976, but if we put a constraint on it, it should change, and indeed it does. So about 400 inquiries that we've received in the past either had no children or did not specify whether they had children or not. The example in the blog post was talking about spring break, so let's add another rule based on which month the guest was interested in. So we'll say the desired month, and let's say equals March. We'll just say March is spring break. Again, if we click save and refresh count, 525 should be reduced, and in fact it was. The final characteristic that we talked about in the blog post was whether or not these guests had inquired a certain number of months in advance. So let's pick the months in advance variable, add a rule there, and we'll say 3, save and refresh, and 155 goes to 89. That's all we wanted to show you in this brief walkthrough. As you can see, it's quite easy to create segments based on custom fields that either Rentellect creates and auto-populates for you, or that you have created and added information on your own based on your awareness of guest characteristics. If you've got any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. Go ahead and reach out and we'll be happy to get you set up or answer any technical questions you might have. Thanks for listening, and until next time, happy renting.